Today I will introduce you all to a lawn care solution. It's the UBHOME M10 lawn mower robotic. Uh, this green body is really eye-catching. It's small, easy to lift. Okay, yet packed with really impressive capabilities. So say hello to the future of lawn mown care. Installation is a breeze. It took me 15 to 20 minutes, and I've just finished setting up the M10. So you just follow the steps on the app, and you're ready to go. Now we can create the map. We can outline the paths, no-go zones, and the work areas. So we just drive. You just have to drive it like an RC car. It's using your phone. It's easy and simple, more like a game. Now, after connecting our phone to the lawn mower, we just click start.
Please confirm the starting point.
Okay, and now we could just start driving it. You can take a look at this. Now we have to draw our perimeter. Okay, so our map is already drawn, and now we'll be ready to go. Now we adjust the cutting height to 3 centimeters and switch to the fast cutting mode. Now let's check the chases. So usually we don't find any grass down here, but today since it was raining and the grass is a little wet, it got stuck here. But it's not a big deal since we could clean it easily. Let's see. So as you may see, it's perfectly clean, and yeah, it's so easy to clean it. After using it, I could say it's more simple and powerful. So compared to the old ones, this one has a parameter-free option, which means you set the boundaries automatically, virtually. Set the boundaries, which means you set the boundaries virtually using the app, which is incredibly user-friendly design. The design is really user-friendly, which makes it so much easy. And also it has an automatic obstacle avoidance option, which makes it so much easy, so much safer for pets and kids. And this is so important. I really, I'm really impressed with this M10 from UB Home. This lawn mower device. It's really impressive. I recommend everyone to give it a try. Thank you.